Saving and running your program. So we went through the programming, we got some drilled rows, we got some lines made. We're just going to save this program and then we're going to run it. In order to do that, we simply can go to exit. So we can just hit 0, exit, program saved. We're just going to type in a number. Let's just say today's date is what? It's April 10th, maybe 11th today. I can just use 411 and then we can use save. And then plus button and it's saved. Right now though, our program is not loaded. All it did was save our program. So we need to go into utilities, or we could actually go into run. And then it's gonna pull up our program. So we could pull up our program from utilities, but we're gonna go to run because we wanna run our program. So we're gonna hit the plus button. But now it didn't select our program. Right here, it's gonna show what program we're running. And right now it has nothing. So we have to go into load. So from that spot, so we could have went to utilities and loaded our program, or we can just come in, hit run program, hit load. So it's the left arrow. It said possible pointer error. Well, this is new. Oh, great. All right. So now I'm going to try to run utilities and load the program. And maybe update, view, copy, communicate, delete, escape, exit. So no, there's not a load here. Maybe we'll view our program. Okay. So there's our program. Yeah, it's in there. So we didn't lose our program, which is good. I'm going to escape to exit that. I'm going to try run again. And we're going to hit load. And we're going to hit the plus button. Now it's loaded. Good, we don't have an error that time. You see what happened there? We had an error, we just worked through it. We just kept going. So now 411 is loaded. Now I can go into auto. And then I can go into start. Did you see my error there? So, or my notification, turn on spindle to enable program start. I couldn't read that while it flashed. So right now, I'm just going to show you how it's working. I'm not going to machine this part quite yet, but we're just going to turn it on into high gear. I know that I had run it last at 1400, so the spindle is now on, so now I can run it. So now I can just hit start. And if you noticed, it went to our spot where our last 0 is set. So I never went back and picked up this part yet, because I just wanted to show you how to run it. And it can drill a hole here. The nice thing about this machine is that it has a little button here that will come out of its holder. So this button will also run your part. So it's waiting for, it says right up here, it says drill hole here, hit start when ready. So when we drill our hole, so let's say, I'm gonna try to have 3 hands here. So let's say I drill my hole in that spot. I can come back and I can hit this button and it moves to the next hole. And then it moves to the next hole. So there, I have to go in and edit my program, because what I'm noticing now is that it's actually only drilling 3 holes. And now it's milling my line. Interesting, it's not milling a rectangle, because if you notice, all of my handles are moving at the same time. The way I programmed that, I really thought, oh, it was moving to the 0. So right now, okay, so it was rapiding over to the 0. Now it's going to go to 3 inches. So where it left off on the holes, it moved back in the basically diagonal fashion. Now it's coming across, it's going to hit that. If I need it to stop, I can hit my button. Oh, nope, it doesn't like that. So I can't stop it with the button, but I can hit exit. So if I needed to stop, it says hit hold before exit. Here's your hold button. So now I can exit that part. So that's running that part. I've already noticed there was an error on that program, so I'm going to move it so it does 4 positions, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to double check that it is correct.